Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making focused, immediate changes. Put your phone 6+ feet away and enable app limits for social feeds. Once done, track when you reach for the device so you learn triggers. Make sure to remove push notifications and create a 30-minute screen-free buffer around meals and sleep. This first step reduces friction and trains your brain to pause automatically. You're not trying to quit cold turkey, you're changing context so habit cues weaken. You now replace scrolling with specific, satisfying alternatives so cravings lose power. Choose one activity and prepare it in advance. Lay out a book, cue a 10-minute podcast, or plan a walk route. Once done, use implementation intentions. If I reach for my phone after dinner, I will make tea and step outside. Make sure to adjust app limits incrementally. Shrinking allowed time by about 10% every few days is sustainable. You finish by solidifying gains into routines and preparing for setbacks. Each week, review when you relapsed and identify the trigger, stress, boredom, or habit loop, and choose a targeted swap. If limits fail, add a physical barrier or accountability partner to make relapse harder. Make sure to celebrate small wins so motivation stays high. When things go wrong, revert to stricter boundaries for 48 hours, and then rebuild gradually to the sustainable level you identified earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.